Are you looking for the top 5 best heated vests for men? I bought and tested these heated vests so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Winter is coming, and I know how biting the cold can get. No one wants to be stuck feeling cold while trying to enjoy the outdoors. That's why I took the plunge and tested 5 of the best heated vests for men on the market. Let's dive into what I found.
Product number 1, DR Prepare Heated Vest. When I first slipped into the DR Prepare Heated Vest, I was immediately struck by how lightweight it felt. It's made from 100% polyester, which really keeps things light while still offering warmth. The 6 carbon fiber heating elements strategically placed around the neck, back, abdomen, and waist create a cocoon of heat that I found to be incredibly comforting. With 3 temperature settings, high at 131 Fahrenheit, medium at 122 Fahrenheit, and low at 113 Fahrenheit, I could easily adjust the warmth depending on how cold it was outside. I remember stepping out on a brisk afternoon, and within minutes I felt the heat kicking in, elevating my mood instantly. One of the standout features for me is the ability to adjust the size with 4 zippers on either side of the vest. This flexibility was a game changer, allowing me to find a snug fit that kept the warmth in without being too restrictive. It's not just about warmth though. The vest is water resistant and windproof, which I appreciated while hiking on a particularly chilly, windy day. One downside I encountered was the lack of a battery pack. You have to purchase that separately. However, if you already own a power bank, you're good to go. At around $39.99, I think the value is solid considering the features. If you're looking for a lightweight, effective heating solution for those cold winter days, this vest is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, functional, and stylish enough for both outdoor adventures and casual outings. Product number 2, Under Warmer Single-Use Heated Vest Shirt. When I tried out the Under Warmer single-use heated vest shirt, I was curious about how a disposable heated layer would perform. It's designed for just one use, but boy does it deliver. The first thing I noticed was how snug the compression fit was. Right out of the packaging, it felt soft against my skin, and it's designed to hold 8 built-in heat packs that heat up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit in about 10 minutes. As I put it on, I felt a wave of warmth start to envelop my torso, which made the chilly morning air feel much more bearable. One of the unique aspects of this product is that you don't need batteries or charging. Just pull it out, put it on, and you're good to go. This feature is a lifesaver for anyone who hates fumbling with cords and power packs. However, being a single-use item is both a pro and con. On one hand, you can wear it for up to 12 hours of warmth. On the other, once it's done, you toss it. But I found that if you reseal it in an airtight bag, you can get multiple uses out of it, which is a nice bonus. For only $13.99, it's a fantastic option for outdoor enthusiasts, especially during events like football games or hunting trips. It's lightweight, effective, and provides a comfortable warmth that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a no-fuss single-use heating solution, the Under Warmer is an excellent choice.
Product number 3, Change On Heated Vest. Trying on the Change On Heated Vest was a pleasant surprise for me. This vest boasts 9 heating zones, which is impressive and something I wasn't expecting. The design is sleek, and the fabric feels high quality, made from a blend of windproof nylon and soft cotton. The first time I turned it on, I was amazed at how quickly it heated up. There's a 1-button switch that lets you easily toggle through 3 temperature settings. I was out hiking on a chilly afternoon, and the warmth radiated perfectly across my back, neck, and abdomen. It's rated for about 10 hours of continuous use, which is perfect for long days outdoors. I found the USB compatibility a little tricky since the battery isn't included, but once I got my power bank sorted, it worked like a charm. One of my favorite aspects is that it's machine washable, which is rare for heated clothing. After a muddy hike, I simply removed the battery and tossed it in the wash. The price of $29.99 makes it a solid investment for anyone who loves winter sports or outdoor work. If you want a vest that combines functionality, warmth, and a stylish design, the Change On Heated Vest is a fantastic option.
Product number 4, Carhartt Men's Rain Defender Vest. The Carhartt Men's Rain Defender Vest is a classic in the making. When I first put it on, I noticed the quality right away. The nylon lining quilted to 100-gram polyester insulation felt snug yet breathable, which I really appreciated during my outdoor tasks. The mock neck collar adds a touch of style while also keeping the wind at bay. I wore it while working outdoors, and the 2 lower front pockets were incredibly useful for storing my tools and essentials. There's also a left chest map pocket that I found handy for my phone or other small items. The inside pockets feature both zipper and hook and loop closures, which made it easy to secure my valuables while I moved around. Priced at $89.99, it's on the higher end compared to some heated vests, but the durability and quality make it worth the investment. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable layer for work or casual outings. If you're in the market for a vest that blends practicality with style, the Carhartt Rain Defender is a top contender. Product number 5, Emra Warm Heated Vest. The Emra Warm Heated Vest caught my attention with its slim fit design and the promise of 6 heating zones. When I first tried it on, I was impressed with how lightweight it felt. It's made of premium nylon and polyester, which gives it a comfortable yet warm feel. The 3 adjustable temperature levels are a nice touch, allowing me to customize my warmth depending on the weather. I took it out on a chilly day and found that the maximum temperature reached a cozy 65 degrees Celsius, which was perfect for my outdoor activities. One thing I appreciated is that it's compatible with most power banks, which means I didn't have to hunt around for a specific battery. However, I did wish it came with a battery included, as that's often a convenience I look for. At $39.99, it's reasonably priced for the features it offers. The intelligent heating system distributes warmth evenly across key areas, making it an excellent choice for winter sports enthusiasts. If you need a reliable, portable heated vest that performs well, the Emra Warm is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, these heated vests are not just a luxury. They're practically essential for anyone who spends time outdoors in winter. Each one has unique features that cater to different needs and preferences, but all of them provide warmth and comfort. Whether you're hiking, working, or just enjoying the cold, investing in a good heated vest will keep you cozy. Stay warm out there.